Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you my Maserati, and I'm going to replace OEM signal light and I'm going to replace with the LED. It's very easy and a simple DIY, and without wasting in time, let's get started. In order to work on the lights, it's all under the fender wall. First step will be the jacking up the car and removing the wheel. First we're going to loosen the lug nut, then we're going to place the jack. I'll do the same thing with all of these. So this is the last one. So once we remove it, now we're going to take out the wheel. Now we're going to remove many screws. Screws here, then we're going to remove this screw on this side, then some on this side, then we're going to remove these, the push pin on the top as well. So we're going to work around. After removing all those screws and push pins, now the wheel well come out from this side and it's dropped down, and now we're going to pull it out. You can watch my other videos how to upgrade HID and how to upgrade LED on fog light. This is the bulb, the original bulb. This is the original, and these are the LED we're going to replace with. OEM bulb, we took it out and replaced with the LED. This is how the LED look in the front, on the sides. That's how simple and easy to change the signal lights to LED light, and it's a very unique, different yellowish light, and I really like it. And I'll list the part number under my description. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.